Hello friends, namaskar and welcome all of you to my channel. Today let's discuss about when you are given debt to equity ratio, let's say as a 0.4, then in that case how could it be estimated debt percentage and the equity percentage. And as we know that friends, debt equity ratio is one of the important measures of companies capital structure positions, and other could be like a debt ratio, which is simply the measures of total debt by total assets, and there are some other measures too. Now today's discussion would be simply what about the case when you are given the debt to equity ratio as a 0.4. So can we write as a 0, this is or okay, this is our debt to equity ratio is 0.4 is given, and that is the debt. You can see the debt, and can we write the E is 1 minus is as a 1 minus D. Okay, now simply we can say that friends, once you simplify this one, so 0.4 minus 0.4 D equals to that is 0. That is D. So again, once you simplify it friends, so can we write as a this is 0.4 equals to that is D plus 0.4 D. So again, when you solve this question friends, that is the, you can say this is the as a 0.4 equals to 1.4 D. Okay, that is why we can say that so the debt would be how much. So we can say that overall D would be, this is debt, D refers to debt here. So debt would be simply 0.4 divided by 1.4. Okay, that will provide you in the fraction value. So this will be, you can use your calculator, and this will provide you about 0.29. Okay, that is the, if debt is, so you can say that friends, that is the, this is 29%. If you multiply with the 100, 29%. That is why can we say that our overall equity percentage would be how much? Equity in percentage, equity would be simply, you can say that is the, if you say in 100% minus 29. If you are using fraction, then 1 minus 29. That is why you would have a debt of, what would be, debt is 29%, while equity would be, this is simply, we can say that 71%. Okay, so I mean to say that your total 29% is, and 71%, you can see this must be the 100%. Okay, so this way you could find and simplify the question about the debt and equity. Simply friends, I have used this D is the debt, while this is the equity. The overall framework is this one. That is, we can say that I would use the color here. Okay, that is the debt to equity ratio. You could find, yeah, 29% is our debt and equity percentage is 71%. This way you could find and solve this type of quiz question also friends. Okay friends, thank you all of you for watching this video. This is short questions. In coming days I will be discussing the overall financial statement analysis questions as well friends. Thank you all of you for watching this video. If you like this content, please like, subscribe and share my channel, that is the Finance Guru Pawan Kumar. Thank you.